Now that we understand the concept of the uptrend, let's move to the downtrend and examine it in more detail. What is the definition of a downtrend? Well, I'm sure you guessed it. Two successively lower tops and two successively lower bottoms. The key word here is successively. Very good. Of course, I am sure that you understand that when a downtrend is in progress, it's more likely that the prices will continue to decline lower and lower. Is that 100% guaranteed? The answer is no, no, no. The market might reverse any time. And I want you to understand that, guys. It's very important to comprehend and understand that at any point in time, the market might change direction. And that's why you will hear me repeating myself that it's very important to protect our money, our capital, with a protective stop loss. Excellent. Now that we cleared that up, let me give you another example. Imagine a river, the water in a river flowing downstream. Is it more likely to continue to move downstream or to move upstream? I guess you know the answer. The same with the markets. But again, nothing is 100%. Now, when the market is declining, what is the more sensible thing to do? To go with the flow and sell rather than buy. Excellent. See you in a while.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.